Okay, so if you've been watching the videos of the floor going down, you could see that I've had a few problems with the small boards at the back. Seems to be a bit of a design flaw. Dunster House has got back to me, and I don't know whether they've admitted it or what, but I had to buy some bearers, so they've given me a gratis payment of £50, which is fair enough to them, you know. It's pretty good, but something I shouldn't have had to do. We wasted a sort of whole day on that, really. Apart from that, I mean, the product is really good. Didn't have any major twists or bends in any of the boards, but it was just that floor, and I just couldn't get over how they were just totally unsupported, and it wasn't right. There was an easy fix to it if they just run the strengthening of those boards down the length, and it would have been okay. So I think that's about it all to say on that. It's all nicely down now and ready to go on to the next stage. So moving forwards, we've got the trims to fit on the outside. So what I'm going to do is put a mist coat all over it. Well, cut them down first to the right length, then give them a mist coat inside and out. Get those banged on. Then we'll fill it when the sealant comes. I've got some sealant coming today. It's not silicone, it's paintable stuff, and it's very flexible, so it will move with the cabin. I'll show you what that is when it comes. What else? Yeah, so I'm going to do that. I haven't put the trims on the outside, the fascia boards and all that, because I've been painting up underneath the boards first, and it's a lot easier to do it now and then put that on after. So that they can actually be the last thing that we do. I think we're going to do these trims, and then we'll have a full day tomorrow maybe, and look at possibly putting windows in, something like that. Yeah, so yeah, it's getting there eventually. Yeah.